what I do is just like you know, you know what I mean? Like,
yo, what's going on? So I was messing with this thing yesterday, got it running and everything. It was doing great. Had it out on the rocks. And I noticed in the transmission, right there, it was making this clicking noise when it was going forward, but it wasn't doing that in reverse. So I brought it in here, took it apart, ended up pulling out a wire from this. Yeah, couldn't get it back in, wasn't working, so tried some stuff, tried gluing it once I set it back in properly because the clamp clearly didn't work anymore. So that was going good, and then while adjusting this, I pulled it out. So if that ever happens to you, you probably have one of these laying around still, right? An old stock servo. So I just cut it and used its plug. Works great. They all go together nicely. So I just stripped them a little bit, joined them, wrapped them with some duct tape because it's nice and sticky, and then heat shrink tubinged it. And now it's good. So while under load, I'll try to show you here. Yeah. So the front drive shaft is this guy right here. No, other way around. That's where the noise was coming from, was that guy on the rear. My bad. So when I was holding it before, it was like click, 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 click. Kind of like that noise, but that's just the drive shaft bouncing off the motor, as you can see. So it took some time to get it set just right, but now that I got that set, it's nice and quiet. Doesn't do the ticking anymore. In forward or reverse. Reverse was quiet, forward sucked. So that's awesome. So there's a magic spot where you set this, and when you do it, don't over tighten one of the screws. Go like in increments back and forth, because if you just clamp one down, it'll actually kind of push it in as it's tightening. So that's one of my problems. I was over tightening that. Just the one, and then, oh, I got it set, and then you crank that one down, you go to set the other one, and it's in a bad position for grindage.
peace.